The XRP army has been waiting for this moment, and it's finally here. Grayscale has officially filed for an XRP ETF with the New York Stock Exchange. This isn't speculation, this is a major step toward mainstream adoption. And the approval is looking more likely than ever. Well, stick around because today we're breaking down why this is a game changer. Let's get it. I'm not a financial advisor. Welcome to Bitboy X, home of the Biz Squad, the highest IQ investors in all the interwebs. I am your humble host, the Bitboy. If you're pumped about Grayscale's XRP ETF filing and what it means for the future of Ripple and institutional adoption, it's the same thing. Smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and make sure that you hit that notification bell. Now, let's dive into what is happening and guys, why this is absolutely huge for XRP and the Army. The filing is official. Grayscale has submitted its request to list a spot XRP ETF on the New York Stock Exchange. This move signals a shift in the regulatory and institutional landscape, and it's coming at the perfect time. This means XRP is getting an ETF in this bull run. Now, it may not happen on the very first vote or very first deadline, but history tells us that once a major firm like Grayscale makes a move like this, approval is inevitable. If you've been following this channel, Bitboy X, you know we've been preparing for this moment. This isn't some random marketing stunt like we've seen from smaller firms that try to grab attention. This is Grayscale, one of the biggest names in institutional crypto investment. They kind of created the Bitcoin stock. This move also shows a power shift within Grayscale itself. Under new leadership, the firm is making aggressive plays in the ETF market. Not long ago, Grayscale fought the SEC in court and won, paving the way for the Bitcoin ETF approvals that we saw earlier this year. Now they're coming for XRP, and this, well, is just the beginning. Why is an XRP ETF a game changer? Well, the significance of an XRP ETF cannot and will not be overstated. It opens the floodgates for institutional investors who've been waiting for regulatory clarity before entering the market. With an approved ETF, pension funds, hedge funds, and other institutional players will have a regulated, easy way to gain exposure to XRP, just like they do with Bitcoin and Ethereum. And remember, it seemed like just not too long ago, everybody was saying XRP is a scam and a baker's coin, they're not gonna use it, they're gonna lose a lawsuit. Not true. But really more importantly, this is not about just price speculation. The demand for XRP from financial institutions, it's real. Ripple's on-demand liquidity, or ODL, one of their best products, is already being used globally for cross-border payments. In an ETF, it would further integrate XRP into mainstream financial infrastructure. The timing is another major factor. The Bitcoin ETF approval kicked off a wave of institutional adoption, and now we're seeing the next phase, altcoin ETFs. Ethereum set the precedent, but XRP's unique use case in the global payment system makes it a different beast altogether. The XRP ledger is now the Uniswap of degenerate institutions. As we've been saying for months, the ETF just solidifies that reality. So what does this mean for XRP's price? Well, let's talk numbers. Right now, XRP is still undervalued compared to its utility and adoption. The approval of an ETF could push it into double-digit territory, something many XRP holders have been waiting years and years and years to see. The first major target remains $4.50, but once that level is broken, $10 is well within reach. Unlike the Ethereum ETF, which launched in the shadow of Bitcoin's dominance, an XRP ETF will enter the market at a time when institutions are actively seeking diversified crypto exposure. This could lead to a massive inflow of capital into XRP, driving prices higher and solidifying its place in the institutional portfolios. So what are my final thoughts here? Well, let's talk about the path to getting approved. There's still a process ahead before we see a fully approved XRP ETF. The SEC will review the application, and we might see some delays or extensions. But make no mistake, this is happening. The momentum is there. The demand is definitely there. And the institutional players, well, they are already making their moves. For those who have been watching XRP for years, this is the moment to pay attention. The narrative is shifting, and once the masses realize what's unfolding, the opportunity to position yourself before the tidal wave of institutional money hits, well, it'll be gone. So you better hang 10. Here's the bottom line. Grayscale filing for an XRP ETF is confirmation of what we've been saying here on the Bitboy X channel all along. XRP is the chosen asset for institutional adoption, that this is a pivotal moment, and the approval of this ETF could change everything for XRP holders. What do you think? Will XRP hit $10 this cycle? Drop your thoughts and comments down below. And don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell. Stay plugged in to what we've got here at the Bit Squad. That's all I've got. Be blessed.